Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be frying chicken wings. Stay tuned. Already cleaned and washed the chicken, already segmented it. I have cut into flats and drumettes. I'm going to season it with salt, make sure everybody gets a little salt. Just a little. Then the second main ingredient, pepper. I'm using black pepper. Now, a little garlic always is good on chicken. Just a little bit. Can't have chicken without sage. What I'm trying to do is use one hand season, open the season, and the other to actually manipulate the chicken because I'm trying to keep it clean. Then it takes time to make chicken. Get it? Take time to make the chicken. Okay. Now, take a little time. So put a little onion powder in. Move down. So, gotta have my cayenne pepper. Just a little bit. Now, just a little, about a teaspoon. Because you're going to put all them seasonings on your chicken. Sometimes you cook it well, it burns. That stops that. There's a bit more pepper. Okay, so, parsley. So, got my seasonings on. Now, we have here flour. I use unbleached flour, but you can use a regular all-purpose flour. That's the way I do it. I just throw it all in there because I don't want them seasonings. I want all that seasonings at the bottom of the bowl to be in that flour. Using regular, plain, all-purpose, just vegetable oil. Now, take the chicken directly out of the flour and the chicken mix that I had, I saw earlier, and I'm going to just stick it in the grease. I love cooking in this iron wok. I usually cook fry in a Dutch oven. That was my go-to when it came to frying until I found this iron wok and bingo. Just turn it over just a couple minutes in. These are wings. not drumsticks, so they're gonna cook a little quicker. But we're just gonna cook them. This fork is just for turning it over. I do not like to poke my chicken while it's fried. I know some people do. I don't. Y'all notice, you see how it's not as fried as loud as it was? Let you know it's getting close to being done. The chicken gets, the more you fry it, the longer you fry it, when it gets done, it starts to get quiet. Now you don't want it to get quiet, because once it gets too quiet, then it's going to start sucking the grease. But right now, you just want to make sure it's cooked nice and done. And you see, now I cook this chicken with garlic. I have parsley on it, I have onion powder, I have thyme, and you notice it's not burnt. That's baking soda. No, baking powder, I'm sorry. That's baking powder. Keeps it nice, gives you that look. For years I used to struggle with well done chicken, but good looking chicken. Booyah. Got it. 20 years ago, I figured it out. Yeah, 20 years ago, I figured it out. I've been cooking chicken since I was about 8 years old. That's a long time. I think it's ready. It sounds ready. Chicken's calling my name. It's saying, come out. Why did your chicken cross the road? Because it saw me coming. Aha! You didn't know. Okay, y'all. Here's the best part. The finished chicken. Nice and fried. Okay, what we're going to do now, I have my vegetables cooked, I have my wife, we're going to sit down, eat some chicken, enjoy the evening. Hope y'all have a wonderful Sunday afternoon, or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whatever this is. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like chicken.